में द एरिया इज इंक्रीज बाय 21 स्क्वायर मीटर दिया है।
देखो इट इज गिवन यू now we have a question number 45, right? In this question number 45 there is a room, right?
यस सर।
This is a room. This is room with length let length be, what is the area? X centimeter.
The area is increased by 21 square meter.
Square meter, that means meter. X meter. And breadth B.
And this if the length is increased by 1 meter.
B by meter, right? So we can say,
And sir, जो room है वो increased by 1 meter.
huh?
If the length and the breadth of a room are increased by 1 meter.
Okay, just wait, man. Length up area of room is equal to length into breadth. It becomes x into y. It becomes xy meter square, right?
Yes sir.
Now it is saying its length is increased by 1 meter. Length is increased by
1
1
meter.
meter. And breadth is increased by 1 meter. Right? मतलब length and breadth of room are increased by 1 meter each, right? So 1 meter each, na?
Yes sir.
So new length
Sir, there is only written 1 meter, not
to x plus 1, and new breadth is equal to y plus 1, right?
yes sir.
So new area is equal to length into breadth. It becomes x plus 1 into y plus 1. So it becomes xy plus y plus x plus 1. ये हो गया? This is the new area, right? Now what it is saying?
So it is saying the area is increased by 21 square meter if the length is increased by 1 meter and breadth is decreased by 1 meter. The area is
Yeah,
decreased
what
by
you are talking about? I am saying the length and breadth of room increased by 1 meter each. There you are not saying कि नहीं length is 1 meter increase and breadth is 1 meter decrease. You are not with me.
No sir, in the starting it is written length and breadth of a room are increased by 1 meter.
हाँ तो ये तो पहले अभी पहले वाले की बात करो ना. दो इक्वेशन बन रही है यहाँ पे, तभी तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. तो ये पहले दोनों की जब वन वन बढ़ा दिया आपने तो क्या हुआ? तो ये न्यू एरिया और ओल्ड एरिया के बीच क्या रिलेशन है? क्या रिलेशन दिया गया है?
Sir, it is written that the area is increased by 21 square meter.
एरिया इज इंक्रीज बाय 21 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब x
21 square meters are not
एक्स वाई प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस 1 is equal to xy plus 21. This is
Yes sir.
this relation is formed na.
Yes sir.
Case 1. So this xy is cancelled out and you get xy x plus y is equal to 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. So x plus y is equal to 20. This is equation number 1. Right? Now what is second condition?
If the length is increased by 1 meter,
If length increased by 1 meter and breadth
is decreased by 1 meter,
decreased by
1 meter,
then
the area is decreased by 5
new length is x plus 1 and new breadth is x minus 1. Oh, y minus 1. Right? Now we have area. So xy is equal to, we write x plus y into y minus 1 is equal to xy plus how much?
xy plus 1.
कितना इंक्रीज हो गया?
Sorry, the area increase नहीं हो रहा sir. The area is decreased by 5 square meter.
Area is decreased by
5 square meter.
5. Right? So it is
Yes sir.
xy plus y minus x minus 1 is equal to xy minus 5. So this xy is cancelled out. You get y minus x is equal to
5 minus 1.
5 plus 1 becomes minus 4. Now interchange the positions. So you get x plus y is equal to 4. You get two equations.
Yes, sir.
This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. So this is x plus y is equal to 20 or x minus y is equal to 4. Right? Equation 1, equation 2, on adding, cancel out, 2x is equal to 16, so x is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we have x plus y is equal to 20, so 8 plus y is equal to 20,
Sir,
so y is equal to 20 minus 8 becomes 12 centimeter, right? So here
the 2x is equal to 16 कहाँ से आया? The 2x is equal to 16.
अबे x plus x कितना हो गया? 2x 24.
Yes, sir.
अरे यार क्या हो गया, मेरा दिमाग खराब है इसमें. ये ऐड हो जाएंगे यार यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir. वो on adding.
ये on adding ना, तो ये 24 हुआ, ये 24 हुआ, तो ये 12 हुआ. जब ये 12 हुआ तो x plus y, तो यहाँ पे 12 आया, तो यहाँ पे 12 हो जाएगा. जब यहाँ पे 12 हो जाएगा तो ये 8 हो जाएगा. Right? You get it?
Yes, sir.
So length is Length is 12 centimeter and breadth is, what is your answer?
Answer, sir, checking.
Breadth is 8 centimeter. What is your answer?
So it is coming to, so it is coming 40 meters.
Abhi, length is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth is 8 centimeter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. So 2 bracket 12 plus 8. So 2 into 20 becomes 40 centimeter. You get this?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to, question was find
Find the perimeter.
perimeter of room.
सर एट द एंड हमें पता कैसे चला कि हम लोग रेक्टेंगल का लेंगे पेरीमीटर एरिया.
जब लेंथ और ब्रेथ बराबर नहीं है तो क्या होगा? When length and breadth are not equal, then obviously it will be a rectangle.
Okay, sir.
And when it will be rectangle, then we go by this. Right?
Sir.
This was
Yes, sir.
question number
45.
45. Come to question number Come to question number 44.
The 44 first part. So it have three figures.
Okay. "44 A part, right? There is there is a figure like this, right? And there is a triangle over it. Done? Now A, B, C, right? D, E, F, G. Now what is given? This is of 3 centimeter. This is of 5. This is of 6. Right? अरे यार कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं? ABC is a equilateral. Sorry, this is question number 43. बोलते ही नहीं हो यार, मैं कर रहा हूँ करते जा रहा हूँ, तुमको खुद नहीं समझ आ रहा है. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी. Right? This
Yes, sir.
triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, right? It means AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Fine. Then and this is a and DEFG is isosceles trapezium. Right? It is having 3. It is having 5. This is 5. This will also 5. This is given us 6. Right? Triangle DBG and triangle ECF are right angled triangle, right? So if this is 6, this will also 6, right? And this is 3, so this will also 3, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, dg square is equal to bg square plus bd square. dg is 5 square is equal to bg is 3 square plus bd is equal to bd square. So 25 minus 9 is equal to bd square. So 16 is equal to bd square, taking root over both sides. So bd is equal to 4 centimeter. So height of parallelogram is equal to 4 centimeter, right? Getting?
Yes, sir.
And B, D, E, B, D, E, F, E, C is rectangle. So DE is equal to BC is equal to 6 centimeter, right? And as triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, so AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter, right? And GF is equal to how much? BG plus BC plus CF. So BG is 3, BC is equal to 6 plus CF is equal to 3. So 6 plus 3 becomes 12 centimeter, right? So it as a whole is 12 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, right? So area parallelogram DECG is equal to base into height. No. Area trapezium DEC is equal to 1 by 2 DE plus BC into BD. So it is 1 by 2. D is equal to 6 plus, it's not BC, it is GF, sum of parallel sides. So plus 12 into 4. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 18 into 2 becomes 36 centimeter square. So area trapezium is 36 centimeter square. अब area equilateral triangle is equal to a square root 3 by 4. So a is 6 square root 3 by 4. It becomes 36 root 3 by 4. It becomes 9. So 9 into 1.732. How much you get? 2 times 9 becomes 18. We get 1. 3 times 9 becomes 27. 1 28. We get 2. 7 times 9 becomes 63. 2 65. We get 6. 9. 1 time 9 becomes 9. 6 15. Right? So this is 15.588 centimeter square. Right? This is area of equilateral triangle. This is area of trapezium. Right? Now, area of cross section is equal to area trapezium plus area equilateral triangle. Area trapezium 36 plus area 15.588. When you add this, how much you get? 51.588 centimeter square. What is your area?
Area? So area is equals to 51.59 centimeters square.
It is written here 51.588. So it can be round off 51.59 centimeter square, right?
Yes, sir.
So this was